She eat dinner around 3 p.m. now, and with my treatment together, she lost 40 pounds. People usually focus on what to eat, but ignore the very important thing is when to eat. So when to eat is more important for your health. What do you feel after you have early dinner?
I feel good. I have energy, and then when I eat lunch for dinner, I try not to eat no later than 3 or 4 o'clock. And then when I go to bed, I'm not heavy. My stomach's not heavy because it's about 8:30, 9 o'clock when I go to bed. And I rest better. I have rested better. I sleep better. I don't have the bloatiness when I wake up in the morning.
Many people now eat late dinner. They eat dinner at 8 p.m., 9 p.m., or even just before they go to bed. And then when they lie down in the bed, the stomach feel unhappy. They feel stomach bloating, stomach gas, and the digestion is not complete. And the mind is difficult to settle down, and the heart may beat faster. And in the morning, they may feel still tired. I have a patient, she just told me, she said, after I move her dinner time several hours before she go to bed, and she feel much better, she sleeping is better, and she said in the morning time she feel lighter. She usually she go to bed at 8:30, and so she eat later dinner just right after dinner she go to bed. But now she try to eat dinner before 5 p.m. So she feel much better. And also research shows later dinner can cause the heart disease, kidney stone, fatty liver, high cholesterol, and also gain weight. 90% of the people overweight have the habit have later dinner. So if we just eat a late dinner or even big late dinner, and you just sit after that, it's easy, very easy for you gain weight, and then you maybe gradually have high blood pressure, high cholesterol. Maybe your heart or gradually also have some problem, like kidney has some problem. So that's all because later dinner. In Chinese medicine, we say because the qi, the energy moving in the spleen meridian, the spleen working time is from 9 to 11, and the stomach meridian, the qi in that working time is 7 to 9. So mostly our digestion system, the strongest time is in the morning, and then gradually after 3 p.m. the spleen, stomach, the digestion system already gradually slow down, and after 7 p.m. if you still force them to working, even have a big dinner, it's you're already working a whole day, and then the evening, and your boss still push you to your work. So long term, so our digestion system is, the function is weak. Many people right now have the teeth mark, the tongue have kind of teeth because swollen. That's because our spleen qi weak, and that's also the reason our easy to gain weight after later dinner. In Chinese medicine, we said if your stomach is not in harmony, and you cannot have good sleep. So the dinner is not for eat full, feel full, but to feel not be hungry. So for help you sleeping, help your health, eat dinner 4 hours before you go to bed, and also eat dinner maybe 70% or 80% the full as you feel full. And another tip help you lose weight, have you good digestion, is after dinner don't sit, go to take a walk at least half hour, help your digestion, even help your mind. We said the sun can calm down after a whole day busy work. In many cultures, people have the tradition to walk after dinner. In China, since I can remember, we eat after eat dinner, then we take a walk with my parents. And now, even right now, everyone almost in China after dinner, people just go outdoor and do exercise, just gentle exercises, walking and social. So that's a very good culture, actually help keep people health. Because in Chinese medicine, we said the daytime, the young energy is working. So we have active thinking, doing jobs. But in the evening, our young energy should be goes down, inward, calm down. So then we can prepare our body, go to the nature, like rest, also repairing phase. So that's after dinner, take a walk, or maybe just gently do some exercise, do something, and social with other people. Just happy, you relax. That's greatly help our body, help our health. So, but you this video that you know what's needed to do, but how to do this correctly? Those are so many details that can really help reach the goal, the best. Like what kind of food will be good for eat dinner, and also different seasons, and also for the detailed practice, correct way to reach the best results. Please go to my Dr. Joy Wellness weekly program. I guide you each week, step by step, help your body to have a real change. So next week, we'll have another video for you, starting to change this habit this week.
I couldn't close it when I started coming to see Dr. Yang, but now I can zip it up and I still have this much.
Could you zip up and see? Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Without this, it's much easier to see.
So
now it's so your right side.
Yeah. So this much. All over.
Yeah.
So.
I cannot believe it.
Look. Look how skinny I am.
It looks so pretty now.
So excited. I'm buying new clothes.